So it's not as if Facebook ads is a new thing. Now, if you've come to this video because you feel like Facebook ads is a new thing, then I might have a little bit of bad news for you. Might be a little bit too late. A bit around the 7 to 8 years too late mark. But the main question people have is, are Facebook ads still worth it in 2023? Now, the short answer is yes. Yes, they are worth it, but only if you have this one thing, which is what I'm going to explain in this video. So let me take you back to 2016, which is when I first started running Facebook ads. And anyone, and I mean fucking anyone, could set up a quick ad and make some money. Like, I'm not joking, it was ridiculous. People who had no technical skill, like you didn't even need to understand copywriting, funnels, making offers. You literally just needed to follow a set of instructions on these are the buttons to click to launch the ad, and it would print fucking money. So if you're in the info product industry, back in 2016, I was running ads to a webinar, and the webinar, right now, if you run a webinar, you're probably selling a 1K product minimum, 2K product maybe. Now, most people can't get this funnel to be profitable in 2023. Back in 2016, I was making profit on the front end selling a $99 course from a 90-minute webinar. Honestly, it was ridiculous. Cost per clicks, cost per leads, the conversion rates, it was all a little unfair. But obviously, if you go and run a webinar now for $99, you're gonna lose all your money. So what is the one thing that you need to make the whole equation profitable? It is a relentless focus on LTV, which stands for lifetime value. So lifetime value is not just looking at, okay, how much do we get per sale, but what happens after this person purchases? What do they go and buy from us next? What is the lifetime value, i.e. what is this customer worth to us over a lifetime? What other products are they buying? How much money are they paying? And what system can we set up to ensure that this $99 buyer actually goes and buys from us again? So for example, in 2016, let's just say you were running ads to an e-commerce product. It was like a physical product, whatever the product was, a t-shirt or something like that. Let's say you're selling a $20 t-shirt. You could go to Facebook and you could run ads and you could probably get a sale or a customer for around $5. So with this equation, you put $5 in, you get $20 back, you're happy, the customer gets a crappy t-shirt, and you just go on to scale. But in 2023, if you were to sell the same $20 t-shirt, it's very likely, and just so you know, I'm making these numbers up, but just to get the point across so no one come and tell me that I'm wrong with the numbers, but it's just to make the point. Anyway, for the same t-shirt, it would probably cost you around $25 to get that sale. So right now, any mathematicians will be able to work out that we are paying Facebook $25 and only getting 20 back, so we are losing $5. Because the cost to advertise on Facebook and to get a similar customer has at least 5x'd. I know for me, when I was running the webinar campaigns doing the cost per lead, our cost per lead back in 2016 literally was like 50 cents. It was tiny. In US markets, a good ad campaign was getting clicks for under 10 cents. But now if I run an ad for a similar offer today, it's gonna cost me at least $5 to get one lead. So this number has 10x'd. And honestly, this has been pretty generous. This cost per lead could easily be 7, it could easily be 10, which is what, like a 14 and a 20x increase in ad cost. So as a business, we can't just rely on running ads to this $20 product and expect to make profit. Facebook ads is only worth it if you have a focus on LTV, which means that you are focusing on getting this $20 customer to spend more money with you. So for example, you can spend $25 on ads to get $20 in t-shirt sales. You can lose $5, but as long as you know that this customer in like a week's time really loves the product and comes back and maybe buys 2 more, or maybe they buys 3 more. So they actually spend $60 extra with you. So over that mini lifetime of the customer, you know that you can spend $25 to get a $20 customer and lose money because you know that the overall lifetime value is going to be $80. That's the 60 plus the 20, which means that your actual profit is $55. But if you are short-sighted and you just focus on the front end sale, then Facebook ads aren't worth it anymore because you're not going to be able to make that much profit on the front end. So for example, if you're running the webinar like I mentioned before, and maybe you're selling a 997 course. The goal, honestly, with this webinar, for me, would be to break even with paid ads. So you're running ads to this offer, trying to drive as much traffic as possible, and your goal is to spend $997 to get a customer. You're not bothered about making any profit on this front end sale. And what your other focus is getting the people who buy this product to buy from you again. Maybe they upgrade to your 5K mastermind, or maybe it's a 10K mastermind, because then you know that you're breaking even on the front end, and then the rest of this, the money that you make in the back end, is pure profit, because obviously you don't have to spend any money on ads to get these customers. So if you are going to run ads, the market and Facebook ads is shifting towards making break-even products, where you create products specifically for ads, and the sole purpose isn't to make you money. It is just trying to get as close to break-even as possible to get the customer for free, and then you can upsell the customer after they've bought from you once to another product, and then you make your money. I even heard Russell Brunson talk about this. I think it was on a podcast or a video or something like that, and he mentioned that he's now actually creating businesses for break even. So he's actually acquired a few businesses, and the sole purpose of that entire business, the whole product suite, everything that they sell within that business, the sole purpose is just to break even, because he knows if he creates that break even business, then they've got thousands of customers that they can then sell onto ClickFunnels, which is obviously his software. So that's how you win with Facebook ads in 2023 and beyond. It is not by focusing on front end sales, but by focusing on LTV. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some fucking Chad Facebook ads guy in the comments being like, oh, I'm making money off my front end product, blah, blah, blah. And that's cool, that's good for you. But my man, let's see how long that lasts. You're not going to be scaling front end offers on Facebook forever. And if you don't plan for it now, in a couple of years, you're going to be fucking broke. And especially if you are a new person who doesn't have experience with Facebook ads and you're just getting into the game, then it's more important that you focus on LTV more than ever, because obviously in the beginning, your ads probably aren't going to perform as well as they potentially could, because you're still going up that learning curve. So you're not going to be getting customers as cheap as you possibly could. So that's why you need to make sure that you have the back end offers to ensure the profitability from your campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon.